Okay guys, we are back in the Tree of Life with our blue velvets that this is their first generation offspring that turned out black. Now you guys know the star of the show is the male that we found that didn't have clear in his midsection. He was a blue velvet color in his midsection. Here you can see clearly we have one of the blacks that has a clear midsection. So now we can pretty much confirm that a blue-black Rili was introduced into this gene pool and is kind of coming through as dominant now. Here is another combination. Look at this. So here the clear is coming into the back. Okay, so my camera does not want to get it. Is coming into the back of this shrimp right there. So the head is completely black, but the rest of the body is clear. And if you move down here, this one is black entirely. And so that is why I've been saying this tank has colors that you do not see out of a blue velvet, because blue velvets would never have this coloring whatsoever. Now I had some other ones that I wanted to show you right there. I know it's kind of hard to see. See how that one is like striped? That is an amazing color combination right there. So it's actually clear with bands of black all on its backside. And then if you guys will remember, we did have the female that we saw that was pregnant that was almost solid black on the backside. Now I was trying to get her on camera again, but she fell back into behind some of the vegetation, so I couldn't get her on film. But I wanted to give you an update. Here we go. Here's another one. And you can see it really up close right there. See how the head is black, but the body is clear. So the star of the show that had the blue in him, I don't know where he is went for right now, but the pregnant female, she is down there somewhere. Now that's my Amano. That's one shrimp, and he's kind of like, he's their pal. He hangs around, but the rest of his breed, they all jumped out. When I say jump ship, I mean they escaped and were on the countertops whenever I came home from a trip. So here's another one. Oh, we just looked at that one. Okay, oh, I wish I could find mom for you. Let me put it on pause and see if I can find her. Okay, I believe this is her. I think it is, because she is all modeled like this. Her entire body, I think this is her. If it's not, it's her other equivalent. There's two in here that have the same, I think it is, because see how her belly at the bottom is rounded like that? That's where the eggs will be. Yeah, I think that's her. So I'm super excited to bring you another update. I'm loving that you guys are posting such amazing comments about these shrimp, because they are miracle shrimp. I am truly blessed to have these in a tank. They are 100% accidental, and I am so thrilled to be able to bring this one to you. Also remember, we have the red that are also from the blue velvet strand, and I'm trying to get those on camera. They're much more elusive, but there's some red out there that are just absolutely gorgeous like these are in the black. So keep looking for the updates. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video update.